Hello everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team. And as we look back on the fourth quarter of 2022, there were a lot of housing experts and economists who were saying that home prices here in 2023 we're going to take a nosedive and we're going to drop significantly. Take a look at some of these quotes. Jeremy Siegel, the Russell E. Palmer Professor Emeritus of Finance at the Wharton School of Business, says, I expect housing prices to fall 10 to 15%, and the housing prices are accelerating on the downside. Mark Zandi, the chief economist at Moody's Analytics, says, buckle in. Assuming rates remain near their current 6.5% and the economy skirts recession, then national house prices will fall almost 10% peak to trough. And then Goldman Sachs said, housing is already cooling in the US. As interest rates climb steadily higher, Goldman Sachs Research's G10 home price model suggests home prices will decline by around 5 to 10% from the peak in the US. Now, the bad news about all of this is it really caused consumers to lack confidence in the housing market. But the great news is that these predictions, they didn't actually happen. Check out what Goldman Sachs just recently said. The global housing market seems to be stabilizing faster than expected despite months of rising mortgage rates, according to Goldman Sachs research. House prices are defying expectations and are rising in major economies such as the US. And we can actually back this data by taking a look at a couple of these different housing indexes. You can see that over the last few months, yes, housing prices did have a very slight decline for a 4 to 5, maybe 6 month time period. But over the last couple of months into the spring and summer markets, we're starting to see things shift back into the positive again. Looking at the housing data here in the Greater Kalamazoo market, in May, we actually hit the highest average sale price on record. So what does this actually mean for you, whether you're looking to buy or to sell? Well, that's a great question, and everyone's situation is completely different. I would love to have a conversation with you. Just sit down and talk through what you're experiencing and what you're hoping to accomplish so that we can figure out what the right plan is moving forward. Feel free to call me at 269-350-5514, or you can email me at sold@veenstrateam.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.